ইংলিশ গ্রামার তোমরা সবাই মন দিয়ে শোনো, লেখো, সবাই কিন্তু লাইক অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইবটা কিন্তু দিয়ে দিও। নাউন, এ নাউন ইজ এ ওয়ার্ড ইউজড ফর নেমিং ওয়ার্ড পার্সন অফ থিং। সুভাষ ইজ এ ব্রিলিয়ান্ট বয়, ইট ইজ প্রপার নাউন। দ্য কাউ gives us milk, it is common noun. Solil is the best boy in the class, it is collective noun. Gold is a valuable metal, it is material noun. Honesty is the best policy, it is abstract noun. Pronoun, a noun, it is a word used instead of a noun is called a pronoun. Ram is a boy, Ram is going to school. Change, he is going to school, he is an intelligent boy, he, she, I, we, it is pronoun. Adjective, an adjective is a word used for qualifying or adding something to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. Amal is a good boy, good adjective. Bimal is very clever, he is an Indian. Lazy students fail in the examination. Indian, lazy, it is adjectives. Verb, a verb is a word used for saying something about a person or a thing. The fat girl wrote a letter to her brother. Calcutta is a big city. The old man had a faithful dog. This pen is nice. Fat, old, big, nice, it is verb. Adverb, an adverb qualifies anything except or noun or a pronoun. Lila goes slowly. Slowly adverb. She is a very beautiful girl. Very, it is adverb. He was very slowly. Very adverb. Preposition. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or noun equivalent. Show in what relation the person or thing denoted thereby stands something else. The book is on the table. The man is under the tree. The bird flew over our head. The fish is in the pond. What did you say about her? He is behind you. Here, on, under, in, over, behind, and about, it is preposition. Conjunction. A conjunction is a word for joining one word